Pranam students. In previous class we completed first problem and in second problem two problems completed. Now this is the third problem. And remember one thing, in mathematics if the problem is bigger one then solution is very easiest one. ठीक है, so वो easy कैसा होता है for this square root cube root problem we will learn now. Yes, so solution. Cube root of x can be written as x power 1 by 3. Correct or not? Yes? Yeah. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? y is equal to 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x whole square power 1 upon 3. Now apply log on both sides. Then log of x power n is n into log x. करेक्ट? तो हमको क्या हो जाएगा ये log y हो जाएगा, पावर विल बिकम कोएफिशिएंट एंड ये हो जाएगा 3x माइनस 1 अपान 2x प्लस 3 इंटू 5 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर. इजंट इट? या. नाउ मैं ये 1/3 को LHS भेज देती हूँ. वाई? बिकॉज आई एम हियर हैविंग न्यूमरेटर 1 टर्म इन डिनोमिनेटर 2 टर्म्स. लॉग अप्लाई करने के बाद वो 3 टर्म्स हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर आई एम सेंडिंग दिस 1/3 टू RHS सो दैट मुझे थोड़ा मेसी नहीं होगा. ठीक है? या बाद में फिर से LHS पे RHS पे लेते हैं हम. नाउ ये हो जाएगा 3 log y is equal to. Now what is the formula here? Log of x upon y. Log of x upon y formula is log of x by y is log x minus log y. Correct? We will use that one. That is log numerator minus log denominator. Now this is 3 log y which is equal to log 3x minus 1 minus. Now it is of the form log of xy which can be written as log x plus log y. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes? Yeah. तो ये हो जाएगा, माइनस इज देयर, बी केयरफुल. log a that is 2x plus 3 plus log of 5 minus x whole square. Now remove the brackets. 3 log y is equal to log of 3x minus 1 minus log 2x plus 3 plus into minus and here power is 2. 2 will become coefficient. 2 log of 5 minus x. Yes, up to here is there any doubt? Clear? Yeah. Now differentiation karo. Differentiate with respect to x. 3 log differentiation is 1 upon y. Y differentiation is dy upon dx. Log is 1 upon 3x minus 1, but 3x minus 1 differentiation is 3x का 3 minus 1 का तो 0 है, that is into 3 minus log means 1 upon 2x plus 3 and differentiation of 2x plus 3 is 2x is 2 and plus 3 means 0 minus 2 log is 1 upon 5 minus x and differentiation of pi minus x is 50 minus x is minus 1. Any doubt? Yeah. Now this is 3 by y dy by dx equal to 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus into minus plus 2 upon 5 minus x. Any doubt? Very good. नाउ वी रिक्वायर्ड ओनली डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, तो क्या हो जाएगा y अपान 3 इंटू 3/3x माइनस 1 माइनस 2/2x प्लस 3 प्लस 2 अपान 5 माइनस x here where y is equal to y value means it is a cube root of, therefore I am writing y value separate. What is the value of y? Cube root of, what is that? 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x whole square. Just mention the value of y here, that is cube root of 3x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x whole square. So problem simple, right? Yes. Yeah. Now third problem. Third problem is y is equal to log x power x plus x power log x. So here we cannot apply log directly. Why? Because here RHS we have two terms in the form of addition. Therefore, log of x plus y, there is no formula. Therefore, you cannot apply log at the same time. Therefore, these type of problems can be solved like this. So, we can take it as u and it is v, means some other variable. Now, differentiation किया तो क्या आ जाएगा आपको dy upon dx equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Problem solved. मतलब आपको u सेपरेट करके डिफ्रेंशिएशन करना है और v सेपरेट करके डिफ्रेंशिएशन करना है और बाद में वो वैल्यूज़ लाके इधर पुट करना है. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, या आगे बढ़ेंगे. नाउ u इज़ इक्वल टू क्या लिया है आपने log x पावर x. v इज़ इक्वल टू क्या लिया है x पावर log x. करेक्ट? Yes, that only? Yes. Now आगे बढ़ेंगे. सेम प्रोसेस अगेन. अब नाउ हम लॉग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो लॉग अप्लाई किया तो बी केयरफुल बेटा, हियर लॉग ऑलरेडी देयर, डोंट कंफ्यूज. ओके, दिस इज लॉग यू, दिस इज लॉग ऑफ सी. एक ही बार किया तो एक लॉग मिस हो जाएगा. दैट्स वाई आई एम राइटिंग लाइक दिस. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये log u इज इक्वल टू x इंटू log ऑफ log x. बी केयरफुल, राइट? हाँ. नाउ हियर log v इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ x पावर log x. तो पावर हो जाएगा कोएफिशिएंट, दैट इज आवर रूल, ए log x इंटू log x. ठीक है. नाउ डिफ्रेंशिएशन करो. फर्स्ट यू पार्ट कंप्लीट कर देंगे, बाद में वी पार्ट को जाएंगे. ठीक है. या log u 1 upon u du by dx. This is of u and this is of v, means rule. So x into log differentiation is 1 upon x प्लस में तो log x है, log x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन हो जाएगा 1 upon x प्लस v log ऑफ log x और x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन तो 1 है. करेक्ट? Therefore 1 by u into du by dx equal to, here x and x is getting cancelled. Correct? So 1 upon log x plus log of log x, but we required only du by dx. Therefore send u this side. 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Now replace u value, or otherwise we will replace it at the last step. तो ये du by dx हो गया है. या now dv by dx फाइंड आउट करेंगे. दिस इज log v. 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to 2 log x is there. We can take log x whole square और u भी हमने एडिक्ट हो गया है अभी, तो वही फार्मूला अप्लाई करती हूँ मैं. u v डैश प्लस v u डैश. So 1 upon v dv by dx equal to log x upon x plus log x upon x. तो dv by dx इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, v इंटू सेम टर्म रिपीट हो रहा है, तो 2 log x अपॉन x, राइट. नाउ इक्वेशन 1 क्या हो गया है, dy by dx इज इक्वल टू du by dx प्लस dv by dx. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. स्पेस लगेगा, मैनेज योर स्पेस. du by dx u into 1 upon log x plus log of log x plus v into 2 log x upon x. Correct? Here ends your answer. But answer should be always in terms of x and y. u v में रखना ही रख सकते हैं. Therefore, where u is equal to एंड v इज इक्वल टू, आपने जो लिया है u v वैल्यूज़ वो ले लीजिए. व्हाट इज़ u, log x पावर x और v x पावर log x. There ends your answer. Okay? Yeah. Second problem, right? The same procedure, y is equal to u plus v dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Put equation 1. Why? Because summation is there. If summation is there, there is no logarithmic formula, right? Yeah. Now take u part separate, v part separate and do differentiation for two different functions. Therefore, let u is equal to x power x. ये ऑलरेडी हमने किया है. और v is equal to a power x. a power x we have, right? Yeah. So if it is required you apply, otherwise not required. Here तो required है u part में, log u is equal to x log x. ठीक है? Yeah. Therefore differentiation किया तो 1 by u du by dx u v dash x into 1 by x v u dash log x into 1. Therefore du by dx is equal to x and x cancelled u into 1 plus log x. तो du by dx आ गया है. What about dv by dx? a power x formula we know, so directly also we can dv by dx is equal to a power x. a power x formula is a power x into log a. x plus में x ही है. Therefore no need to do again. Therefore e is equal to a power x means a power x into log a. Now equation 1 is dy upon dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, which is equal to u into 1 plus log x plus what is dv by dx, a power x into log a. Now substitute only u is there. Therefore what is the u value? X power x. Put x power x into 1 plus log x plus a power x into log a, and this is your dy by dx. Okay? ठीक है? Third problem. So here three functions are there. So let y equal to u plus v plus w. Therefore dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. Put equation 1. Now find u, v, w values and do differentiation and then substitute. Completed the problem. Therefore, what is the value of u? First one, that is 10 power x power x. V is 10 power x power 10. W is 10 power 10 power x. Okay? Yeah. Now observe carefully. So if place is not enough, then I'll decrease the font size. Yeah. So here log तो अप्लाई करना पड़ रहा है. Yes, yes. Log u is x power x into log 10. Here base is not mentioned, therefore treat log 10 as constant, that is coefficient of x power x. ठीक है? Yes, yeah. Then observe carefully. D by dx of, I am not doing directly. Why? Because log 10 I am treating as coefficient, and d by dx of x power x. x power x फिर से लेना है, log अप्लाई करके करना है, बट इन प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम ये हमने करके लिया है ऑलरेडी. Therefore I am checking it and I am taking x power x differentiation as direct. ठीक है? Yeah. Yes, this is the previous problem. Here u is equal to x power x है तो उनका differentiation u into 1 plus log x. So ये मैं डायरेक्ट लेती हूँ इधर से. Okay? So log u हो जाएगा 1 by u du by dx equal to log 10 into u means क्या है, x power x into 1 plus log x. But u को हमें वापस RHS को भेजना है. Therefore u into log 10 into x power x into 1 plus log x. Now what is the value of u? 10 power x power x. Therefore du by dx equal to 10 power x into x power x into 1 plus log x into log 10 इधर लिख देती हूँ मैं. ठीक है? ऑलरेडी इक्वेशन 1 पुट किया है तो इधर 2 लेती हूँ. प्लेस इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, आई एम डूइंग 1 by 1. So du by dx completed. Now I'll proceed to v. V is now v equal to 10 power x power 10. करेक्ट? एक बार चेक करेंगे. या नाउ log अप्लाई करो. Log v is equal to x power 10 into log 10. Yes, now differentiation 1 by v dv by dx. x power 10 का differentiation, log 10 is a constant. Yes, हाँ, x power 10 means x power n into x power n minus 1. 10 minus 1 9. But we require dv by dx, therefore v into log 10 into 10x power 9. But what is the value of v? 10x power 10 into, here 10 is a coefficient, here 10 is a base. Okay, don't get confused. This is log 10 into 10x power 9. See how I am writing? 10 log 10 into 10 into x power 10 into x power 9. ठीक है? Yeah, put this equation as 3. Now w. What is the w? Take it as 3. Confusion नहीं होगा, right? Or take it as 2. Or u as 1. थोड़ा मेसी हुआ है, but do it as separate. What is w? 10 power x. 10 power x. log अप्लाई किया तो log w 10 power x into log 10. ये power x formula we know, right? Therefore 1 by w dw by dx equal to log 10 is a constant and a power x is a power x into log a. Therefore dw by dx equal to w into log 10 into log 10 into 10 power x. What is the value of W? 10 power x. 10 power x into 10 power x into log 10 into log 10. That is log 10 whole square. Or keep like this only. Why? Because in each and every term we have log 10. Therefore, we can take log 10 as common factor. Therefore, this is equation 3. Now, put 2, this is 4, not 3. 3, 4 in 1. What is 1? dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. Correct? So, this is dw. Now, substitute the values. dy by dx is equal to, I am substituting the values. So, I substituted at the values of du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx. Now, check your answer. log 10 कॉमन फैक्टर लिया है और log 10 into log 10 होल स्क्वायर किया है. या इट इज़ log 10 होल स्क्वायर. सो वही रखेंगे हम. सो जस्ट आई एम रिप्लेसिंग दिस विथ log 10 whole square. So, this is your answer. Is there any doubt? Yes? Clear? Yeah.